Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa Easyfit wall-mounted fixed head. Cut the outlet pipe to length, 55 to 150 mm measured from the finished wall surface. Slide the spacer onto the projecting pipe flush with the finished surface. Ensure the pipe is clean and free of dust and slide the fixing bush onto the pipe flush with the wall spacer. Fit the 15 mm O-ring against the end of the fixing bush. Mark the 4 fixing points. Slide the fixed head arm over the fixing bush flush with the wall surface. Carefully remove the fixed head arm, drill and prepare the fixings, take care to avoid pipework hidden in the wall. Refit the shower arm and secure it to the wall using the screws provided. Run the shower for a few seconds to clear any debris that may be present. Fit the fixing cover plate. You may need a tool with smooth jaws to lock the head into position.